All right, last one and a good one.
Last one and a good one. An oldie but a goodie.
Yeah.
I don't,
It's good news, I guess.
Meet the BeachBot, a beach rover that uses AI to remove cigarette butts from beaches. It's a feel-good moment
Yeah.
on the show, courtesy of Willie Doo. It knows how to identify cigarette butts, I suppose. BeachBot, with its puffy tires and gripper arms, detects and picks up cigarette butts. It's a prototype, has been developed by Edwin Boss and Martin Lucart, co-founders of Tech Tips, not to be confused with Linus Tech Tips. It has successfully picked up 10 cigarette butts in 30 minutes in its first demo.
Which is not a lot, but...
You know what? I don't want to... I really don't want to be a downer here, but how is this thing powered? Is it better for the environment? Like, if it's doing 10
It's definitely not solar. Unless it goes to like a solar station to get charged. There's no solar attached.
So we got
to
all
it.
this waste. It's a terrible mess. You want a bot to pick it up. We're on the same page here. The AI is working for us. It's taking out the trash. But then I'm like, all right, what is this thing running on gasoline? What is this, Will?
It seems like it's battery powered.
Okay, all right, that's fine.
By the looks of it.
BeachBot's electric. Yeah, BeachBot definitely looks electric. I like the tires. It's very friendly.
It's very, yeah.
Here we go. It's found a cigarette.
Yeah, it can traverse through, I guess, the sand and maybe bumpy areas.
It looks like it's ready for Mars itself. Cool. I don't mind this. I'm fine with this.
Yeah. I mean, have maybe like a few of them just roam around at night and pick up some cigarettes and potentially some garbage.
I don't know if it's going to go at night, though, because I don't know what visual systems it has to see the...
Oh, sure.
It looked like it had a camera on the front. It probably can't be too dark.
Yeah, but hopefully, you can install some night vision in it.
It's referencing like a set of images in order to learn what cigarettes look like, and then make sure that it's picking up cigarettes and not, I don't know, animal life or whatever. Whatever.
Like, hey,
else.
that's my shoe
Or whatever else. Yeah, exactly. Taking your flip flop while you're over there at the beach. But this is cool. I like a friendly beach bot.
for sure.
Well done.